The Big Island of Hawaii's Kohala coast is booming with tourism and development. Some projects, such as the 30-meter telescope proposed for the top of the Mauna Kea, has gotten protesters up in arms and demonstrating against it by displaying upside-down Hawaiian flags. But development roars on along the coast unhindered. At the Mauna Lani, it's undergoing a year-long $200 million renovation. The 32-acre resort will reopen with fewer but bigger rooms and suites, new dining and activity areas. Auberge Resorts Collection will be offering room rates starting at $550 to $10,000 per night. At the Hilton Waikoloa, occupancy was way up, as was most of the Kohala Coast resorts, showing 83.3% for August, a huge jump from 63.3% just a year ago. And the Hilton is getting higher rates for everything, from valet parking, which is a staggering $37.50 even if you stop for less than an hour. And the shops at the resort won't validate. Now there's something worth protesting. For Around the World, this is Arthur von Wiesenberger bringing you the latest news from the Big Island of Hawaii.